Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna. Today I am here with another mug cake recipe, and this idea, my friend Tim gave it to me, so thank you Tim for this idea. It is a cinnamon roll mug cake. So let's get into this video. So first we're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm actually using a different mug. I'm using my friend's mug. I got this for Christmas, so I already have melted butter in here, and then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. I think this is going to be a very big, mug cake. This may be 2 servings. It says 1 serving, but, but we'll see when it comes out. So, and then we're going to add vanilla. So, how much vanilla? It is a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix this all together, like all these wet ingredients. So, that goes in. And you just mix it. And next, we'll add our dry ingredients. So, for our dry ingredients, we're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1. 2. 3. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1. 2. Next, we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I just love the smell of cinnamon. Gonna add that. And then for our last ingredient, it is 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to mix it until it's smooth, and then we're going to pop it in the microwave. This is what the batter looks like when it's all mixed together and smooth. And now we'll put it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. I would start on the lowest first, so I'll do it for 1 minute first. This is what it looks like when it's finally done microwaving. I did mine for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now let's actually get really into the taste test. This smells really delicious. And it looks a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it'd rise a lot more. This really tastes like a cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh. I really recommend this recipe. If you have any other recipes for me to try, comment down below and have a nice day. Bye.